Oh! Oh. Ha! Oh. Huh? Ah!
Hello, Cuquín. Do you know what's inside the boxes?
Oh.
Animals. Do you want to see them? To know which animal starts with the vowel A, you need to write it down.
Ha! Huh? A.
Try again. Follow the lines.
A. Oh. Huh. A. Ant.
That's right. A is for ant. Don't you know which animal begins with an E?
Ah. E.
I think you wrote too many lines. Why don't you do it again?
Huh. E. Ah. Oh. Ah. Wow. E. Elephant.
Great. E is for elephant. Do you know of any animal that starts with an I?
I. Ah. Oh. Wow. Oh. I. Iguana.
Good, Cuquín. Yes. I is for iguana.
Huh?
Let's see. What animal begins with the vowel O?
Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh. Octopus.
Very good. O is for octopus. Which animal starts with the vowel U?
U.
It just looked more like an O than a U. Why don't you try again?
U. Oh. Wow. Unicorn.
Of course, U is for unicorn. Now you know the vowels and the animals.
Ah. A is for ant. E is for elephant. I is for iguana. O is for octopus. U is for unicorn. The vowels!
Cuquín. I bring you a gift.
A present, a present!
Hold on, Cuquín. Here.
A present! Yay! Oh. Oh?
1, 2, 3.
Balloons! Balloons! Balloons!
How fun! Which one do you want? Choose. Number 3.
All of them! All of them! All of them!
No, Cuquín. You can only choose one.
One! Yellow! Yellow egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! An elephant!
One little elephant was happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when he found that he still resisted, he went and called another
Another one!
little elephant.
Choose me. Number 3. I'm right here. The red one. I'm very shiny. Please choose me. I'm right here. Please. Number 2. Please choose
Three,
right
red
here.
balloon. Red egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cow!
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On this farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there.
More! Oh, two, a blue balloon.
Here, come get me. Hee chase me. Too slow. Here, come get me. Chase me.
Blue egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A donkey.
My dear donkey, he now has a big head. They can balance if prescribed him an old-fashioned large bonnet. An old-fashioned large bonnet. Donkey's not feeling well.
Great, great.
Insect surprise eggs! Surprise egg! It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, all she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice our little music. Now she won't have any dance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web up. He worked, and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider decided